Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a makeup look. This is the makeup look I'll be attempting to do. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so I have the makeup look pulled up right here, and I'll be starting with moisturizing my face first before I do anything. Even though I'm not even doing my base first, but and then I'll be going in with primer, the Milk Hydro Primer and the e.l.f. Putty Primer. I love this combination. Okay, I'll see you when I'm back. I just did my eyebrows and I just did the primer. Now I need to prime my eyelids, but I got a new brush set. I think I'll be using it. If you guys want to watch like unboxings, I always do my live on my Instagram, like in the description. But this is my crusty dusty one. But I'm gonna use the P. Louise eye primer in the shade 2. Okay, so this is a very simple eye look. So I think I'll be using my Adeline Warren X Tarte palette. I love this palette for like neutral looks because it has really pretty brown shades and it reminds me of a gingerbread, like as you can see in Mania Mie's eyes. It's like very like browny. So yeah, I think I'm gonna be using Adele Angel's Contour and Mama Morin. Oh my god, I'm struggling with that palette. Okay, so first on the Morphe M433 brush, I'll be putting Mama Morin, which is gorgeous brown shade, and tapping it lightly in the outer crease. I need to put my arm here. Hey guys, okay, I'm gonna do a voiceover just because I like to listen to music while I'm doing my makeup and I don't want to get copyrighted, so let's do the voiceover. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye real quick. See. So basically I'm taking the color in the outer crease and just blending it out with the same brush and with a darker color. So I'm taking that same brush and blending it in the outer corner and taking another brush and blending using Mama Morin and Adele Angel's. They're really pretty shades and a mix of between those two creates a really gorgeous look. And I'm taking those shadows and blending it totally into the inner corner to give it a more browny look as you saw Mania Mie had. And yeah, and then I'm just blending a little more, so yeah. Guys, now I'll be applying some glitter. Ooh, it's this gorgeous bronzy color, and I'll be using some lip gloss as an adhesive. Oh my god. Okay guys, so I just put it in my inner corner and using the shade Promise Ring in the Adeline Warren palette for my inner corner glow. Ooh. Okay, I'll see you when I'm done with that. Okay guys, so I just did my eyes. It looks like a little deer. I kind of love it. It's just like some brown eyes with a little bit of white dots. I don't know, I feel like with gingerbread, you can go as creative as you want, so why not put some little white dots? I'm gonna put my lashes on right now, so right now. Okay guys, so I just did my eyelashes. They look really cute and they're a new pair. You scared me. My brother just came in. Really scared me, but they're a new pair. I look more like a deer now, but yeah. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna do my base because I have all this. Oh my god, this eyeshadow look was the easiest eyeshadow look I've done. Guys, so I'm gonna be using the NARS Radiant Creamy the NARS foundation. It is amazing. I love it. It is a stunner. So yeah, use any foundation that works good for you. Okay guys, so I just did my foundation. I know I look a little crazy, but you know, yeah. So now I'm gonna highlight, and the new way I found out to highlight, actually I've been doing this for quite some time, is to put it here and here to give yourself like a more foxy look, I guess. And I always use cheap concealers, so I don't like to put foundation like here because it messes my makeup up. So I just put it like there, my concealer. So yeah. Okay, now I actually love blending in my foundation out. Before I used to hate it. I thought it was like the worst thing ever, but like look how satisfying this is. Okay, is it just me or is it super satisfying? I look like a deer. If I did eyeliner, I was debating if I should do eyeliner or should not, and if I would have, I would have looked more like a deer than a gingerbread cookie, or like, you know. Okay, now I'm gonna put some cream contour on. Okay, so I have these brushes. I don't even know where I got them from. Like, I got it a long time ago, but they're great for cream contour. So I'm gonna put 2 dots here, just little itchy dots. It's like concealer. It's the Maybelline Superstay Concealer. I got this like kind of long ago, but it's the Maybelline Superstay Concealer in the shade 60, and it is great. I love it because I don't like the cream contours. Like, I hate, no offense, but I hated the Fenty one. I actually bought it with my own money, and it was so expensive, and I didn't even end up liking it. So this is like a $12 concealer. Wait, this is like blending. I need the other stiffer brush to blend it. But this is like a $12 concealer, and it's so cheap, and it's amazing. Works wonders. Like, look how gorgeous it is. I'm gonna blend the whole thing out, and I'm gonna see you guys after I do blush. I'm gonna use the Patricia cream blush, and yeah. And I'm gonna powder my face using the, actually, not yet. So let me see. Okay guys, so I did my whole base. So I did blush, bronzer, highlighter. Now for the fun part. So as you can tell in this look, let me pull it up. So in this look, it's like really, really bronzed. Like really bronzed. So since I'm a gingerbread cookie, I really want to bronze up my cheeks. So I'm gonna take my bronzer with that. I'm gonna take a bronzing brush, and I'm gonna take my Physicians Formula Butter Buns bronzer, because I feel like that's like the most buttery. I don't know, but hey guys, so I'm actually really scared for this step. So I have my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and have this big brush. So I'm gonna go right here. Start with the nose just because I feel like that's the safest way to play. Okay. It's not really picking up an actual bronzer brush because I used to use a brush for bronzer, but I actually don't like a big brush for bronzer. I don't know why. It is really bronzy. Oh my god. This is crazy. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. Like, it doesn't pick up that bronzy. That's why I kept on adding bronzer. But it is really bronzy, as you guys can tell. I'm gonna add another bronzer on top. More bronzier look. I'm just gonna keep it on this resolution so I don't go overboard. Because that is something I love to do. Go overboard. Now, this is enough. Oh my god, I already look like a gingerbread cookie. And the resolution on my camera is killing me. The resolution on my camera is literally killing me. So I need to make it higher, so, you know. Okay, it looks really good. Using my powder brush to kind of just try to blend it in a little bit, you know, to give me. Then, Manny MUA, he drew the little gingerbreads. Okay, this is the hardest part. So I'm going to use my small little detailed brush from my Morphe collection, James Charles brush set. Okay, so I'm just going to try to draw it on my hands. Okay, so I'll be right back because I really need to focus for this, but yeah. Okay guys, so I just did the little outlines. They look really cute. Now I'm going to outline it with brown. Sorry that I'm not so detailed in how to outline it, but I'm going to show you really quickly on my hands. So basically, this is my hand. So basically, all you guys are going to do, I'm going to do it with my palm of my hand because why not, so here's my palm of my hand. So you're going to take it and make a circle like so. And then you just take it and make the little arms like this. And then you take your brush and drag it down and make the little feet. And then you bring it back up and connect it. It'll look a little bit better like this on my face because I'm more precise. But yeah, that's basically the steps of it. Now I'm going to take my brown and my face palette. By the way, a lot of people ask me where I get this from. I got this from Amazon. Just search up like cream face palette. So now I'm filling these in with brown. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed making this video. This is a very quick and easy, I'd say an hour, 30 minutes to 2 hours makeup look, but it is really cute and really nice. If you guys enjoyed this video, follow me on all my socials, and bye guys!